Baking and cooking is one of the ways that I show my love for people. I love taking care of people.
You're a good provider, huh?
What's funny is that my whole life, 8 years old, I was dressing people, feeding people. It's not something I try and do. I think it's a way that I've always been. I come from very nurturing parents, and I think it's what I've been surrounded by my whole life. And I grew up in a home where my mother literally, she wanted to throw a party because it was a Sunday. It was a nice Sunday, let's have 30 people over. And I think for me, for us, there's something about entertaining in your home that feels so special. I enjoy it, I love it.
Memory.
Oh God, stop. We've talked about this over the years, that no matter what, no matter how nice you make your living room or your family room or your dining room, everyone congregates in the kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen's sort of, you know, the center of the home. I personally love having people over to the house. And the way we approach entertaining is, it's more about the journey than the actual meal. Obviously, that's your own personal space, right? So anytime you're letting someone into your personal space, you're sort of getting closer to that person or allowing that person to get closer to you. Things getting heavy.
I know.
Jeez.
That's why I gave you the mixing task.
You want me to hold the bowl?
Yeah, you hold the bowl and I'll scrape.
Teamwork.
Because when I have to do this part alone, it's challenging. One of the things that people started to just freak out from was a banana bread. And it was a banana bread that kind of was born out of my love for the people that I bake for, and taking a few different recipes. A crumble topping that would be on a cobbler. Okay, babe, so now that it's in the oven, we're gonna do your favorite part.
Crumbles?
Yeah.
It was a major breakthrough.
It was a major breakthrough, and it made people so happy that I was like, what am I baking this week? And the banana bread was just like the universal love. So I could overdo it, but I'm not going to.
No, add extra crumbles, it's my favorite.
Banana bread is very challenging because when the outside gets crispy, sometimes the inside is not cooked enough. So the steam baking actually provides this incredible function of being able to cook evenly throughout so that that doesn't happen.
It's fantastic.
Right?
It's really good. It might be one of your best, if not the best.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
Save some for your children.
Yeah.